Hey, what's guys, this is Skyforce95 here, and recently a fellow eBay seller reached out to me. His name is Dan. His eBay storefront name is called Dan2friend, and I'll be putting his link in the description for you guys to check it out because I think he sells pretty amazing stuff for reasonable prices. So what he sells primarily are Apple products, Samsung products, and their associate accessories. He even sells a few Microsoft items. I guess he will start expanding his storefront, but he sent over a couple of representative items from his storefront. Thank you to him, so I can actually start reviewing some stuff that I normally would have to pay my own money for. So definitely stay tuned for a unboxing and review video of the Magic Mouse. This is the Series 2 edition. I have the Series 1 already, so I'll definitely be doing a comparison in an upcoming video, so definitely stay tuned for that. And he also sent me brand new earpods, both the original 3.5mm headphone jack one and also the lightning one. So I'll be also comparing the two of them in an upcoming video, so definitely check that out. So a lot of these upcoming videos are possible because of him, so I'd like to give him a shout out. And he is a great seller. He has thousands upon thousands of reviews on eBay. You can check it out. His storefront sells so many genuine accessories, headphones, chargers. As you can see here, these are Samsung OEM earphones with the remotes that comes in several Samsung phones, and this is the latest earphones that comes in with the Galaxy, like the Galaxy S8, the Notes. This is an AKG pair of inline remote earphones as well, and of course Apple stock accessories here. He gave me two prongs chargers. One is a 10 watts and a 12-watt power adapter. One for, of course, the regular iPad, and the other one for the iPad Pro, which is more power heavy. And of course the Apple power brick that comes with iPhones, and also the 3.3-foot lightning cable. So this is just some representatives of some genuine stuff. So these aren't some China knockoffs, and from my experience, and if those of you who can relate really understand when I'm saying that it's really difficult to find, especially online sellers that are not trying to sell you some cheap knockoff. And you can see his prices are really quite reasonable, even though he's selling genuine stuff. So definitely check out his storefront. He's based out of New York, actually, so he's not some China seller trying to scam you. And I will definitely be doing videos on these three items, so definitely look forward to those. Subscribe if you haven't already. And in terms of these other stuff, I'm probably not going to do individual videos about it. If you want me to, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I may or may not do individual reviews of these stock Android earphones, but maybe I would do a comparison between stock earphones, sound quality, fit. You guys interested? Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out Dan's storefront. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.